Choose CNC or VMC. Although both of these machines are very important for mechanical processing, the choice depends on the specific differences in your machining. Computer Numerical Control CNC is a technology that automates the operation of machine tools through pre-programmed computer software. It uses G codes and M codes to precisely control tool movements, replacing manual operation, and enabling consistent production of complex parts and surfaces. Common CNC equipment includes lathes, mills, routers, grinders, plasma cutters, and 3D printers. CNC machines are versatile and used across multiple industries. VMCs offer ease of setup, high rigidity, space efficiency, effective chip removal, and cost effectiveness. A vertical machining center VMC is a CNC milling machine with a vertical spindle, offering advantages such as enhanced visibility and easier workpiece access for operations like milling, drilling, and tapping. It achieves stable and precise machining by moving the spindle along the Z-axis, while the workpiece remains fixed. VMCs are mainly applied in these fields. VMCs offer ease of setup, high rigidity, space efficiency, effective chip removal, and cost effectiveness. 1. Scope. CNC, a broad category covering all computer-controlled machines. VMC, a subset of CNC machines, specifically vertical milling centers. 2. Spindle orientation. CNC can have vertical or horizontal spindles. VMC, always vertical. 3. Functionality. CNC, capable of milling, turning, drilling, grinding, cutting. VMC, focused on milling, drilling, tapping with vertical orientation. 4. Design and structure. CNC, design varies by machine type: lathe, router, mill. VMC, fixed table, vertical spindle, 3-axis or multi-axis movement. 5. Applications. CNC, extremely versatile, used in aerospace, automotive, electronics, woodworking. VMC, specialized in vertical machining for molds, dies, precision parts. 6. Versatility. CNC, highly adaptable for many processes. VMC, specialized for vertical milling tasks. So, in summary, it comes down to this. Choose between CNC and VMC based on part complexity, material, volume, space, and budget. If you are unsure about whether to choose CNC or VMC, please contact WMT CNC.